Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a sticker on Discord. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. But the first thing you have to remember is you have to do it on web browser or from your laptop. For that you can go to your browser and you can search for discord.com and make sure click on the three dot button from the top right corner and it is set to desktop side. After that you have to log in or sign up to Discord account. You can see that I have already signed up on my account from the browser. Now you have to tap on your browser from the left side. Okay, this is my browser. You can see it's my name with the server. So this is my server. You can see a drop down menu. Tap on it and you can see server settings. Tap on it. Okay, now at the left side you can see there are many options here like overview, roles, emoji, stickers. Tap on stickers. Okay, now you can see there are 5 slots available where you can upload 5 sticker. For that you have to click on upload sticker. Okay, so a pop-up notification has been appeared. You can see choose a file here. So click on browser. Now you have to choose your particular emoji. Okay, so you can choose any of the picture as your emoji if you want. So let's say this is the emoji. So if I just select any of the picture from my gallery, you can see that it is written as unsupported file. So the file should be PNG or APNG with 512 KB max. So for that you can download the Pixel Lab application. Here it is. You can see that I have downloaded it. So you have to click on the three dot line from the top right corner, then click image size and make sure it is 320 into 320. Okay, click OK, then click the plus button from the top left corner, then click from gallery, then select that particular image that you want to add as sticker. Okay, then adjust it. Okay, then click the save button from the top portion at the second place just beside the plus button, then click save as image. Okay, click the JPG format and make it PNG, then click save to gallery. Now again go to that browser, then click browse, then select that photo. Okay, go to the Pixel Lab album to find that photo. Here it is. Tap on it. You can see that it has been added. Now you can add the sticker name like cat, then description cute cat, like that. Okay, then related emojis. Tap on it. There's the related wink emoji, then click upload. That's it, the sticker has been uploaded. So this is how easily you can add sticker. You have to search cat while you are trying to use this sticker. So this is how you can do it. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.